Looking for the best mouse for your computer in 2024? Welcome to the world where the right click isn't just a command, it's a lifestyle. A place where scrolling isn't just a function, but an art form. We're here to shed light on this often overlooked yet crucial part of your tech gear, the computer mouse. It's easy to underestimate the importance of a good mouse until you've experienced the difference it can make. Whether you're a gamer, a designer, a coder, or simply someone who spends a good chunk of the day working on a computer, the right mouse can be the difference between an enjoyable, productive session and a frustrating, inefficient one. In a sea of options, finding the perfect mouse can feel like a daunting task. But fear not, we're here to help. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the top models of 2024. We'll explore their features, discuss their benefits, and hopefully help you navigate the labyrinth of choices. We'll be comparing different models, from the futuristic marvels with their cutting-edge technology to the comfort kings designed with ergonomics in mind. And let's not forget the budget beasts, which prove that you don't have to break the bank to get a quality product. Each of these categories serves a unique purpose and caters to different needs. But it's not just about what's under the hood. The design and feel of the mouse matter just as much. Does it fit comfortably in your hand? Is it responsive and accurate? Does it have the right number of buttons for your needs? These are all questions we'll be addressing as we journey through the world of computer mice. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your current gear or you're simply curious about what's new and trending in the tech world, you're in for a treat. Buckle up and get ready to scroll through the future. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of computer mice, exploring the top models of 2024. First up, we have the futuristic marvel, Model 1. This mouse is a game changer in the tech world. Let's dive right into what makes Model 1 such a standout. At first glance, its sleek design captures your attention. A perfect blend of modern aesthetics and functionality, the mouse is not just a tech gadget, but a statement piece that adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. Its ergonomic shape ensures comfort even after long hours of use, and the tactile materials it's crafted from offer a premium feel that's second to none. But it's not just about the looks. The user interface of Model 1 is as intuitive as it gets. This mouse is designed with the user in mind, and it shows. It possesses a smart scroll wheel that adapts to your speed. Whether you're flying through lengthy documents or carefully navigating a complex design, the smart scroll wheel adjusts to your pace, making your work smoother and more efficient. The speed of this mouse is another feature worth noting. With ultra-fast tracking, it offers a responsiveness that's unmatched, making it perfect for both professional and gaming use. Every move you make is captured precisely, providing a seamless interface interaction that enhances your overall experience. But what truly sets Model 1 apart from the crowd are its unique features. This mouse comes with a customizable button layout that you can tailor to your specific needs. Whether you're a designer who needs quick access to certain tools, a gamer who requires specific commands at their fingertips, or a professional who values efficiency, this feature allows you to personalize your mouse to fit your workflow. Model 1 also boasts an impressive battery life. With a single charge, you can use the mouse for weeks on end, eliminating the need for constant recharging. In conclusion, Model 1 brings a lot to the table. A stunning design, an intuitive user interface, lightning-fast speed, unique customizable features, and an impressive battery life. This mouse sets a new standard, raising the bar for what a computer mouse can be. Model 1 sets a high bar in the industry, but let's see what the other contenders have to offer. Next on our list is Model 2, the Comfort King. It's all about providing the best user experience. Now we're diving into the realm of ergonomic excellence. Model 2 is engineered to ensure your hand feels right at home even after hours of use. Its design is a culmination of extensive research into human hand shapes, sizes, and movements. The result is a mouse that feels like an extension of your hand rather than a separate device. The Comfort King isn't just about feeling good, it's about longevity. It's about being able to work or play for extended periods without discomfort. It's about reducing the risk of repetitive strain injuries, which can occur from prolonged use of poorly designed devices. The shape of this mouse supports your hand in a relaxed, natural position. It has a soft rubber grip that reduces pressure points, and a thumb rest that prevents your thumb from dragging on the desk. These features might seem minor, but when you're working long hours, they make a world of difference. And let's not forget the buttons. They're placed in a way that they fall naturally under your fingers, making for effortless clicking. The scroll wheel is smooth, offering precision scrolling with minimal effort. Model 2 also boasts adjustable sensitivity, allowing you to fine-tune the mouse's responsiveness to suit your preference. Model 2 doesn't skimp on performance either. It offers flawless tracking, quick response times, and a reliable wireless connection. All these features work together to ensure that your movements on the mouse translate accurately and swiftly on the screen. But what sets Model 2 apart is its dedication to comfort. Every detail, every curve, every button has been designed with the user's comfort in mind. This is a mouse that caters to your needs, that understands the importance of a good user experience and delivers on that promise. Model 2 makes a strong case for itself, but we have more models to explore. Our third contender is Model 3, the budget beast. It's proof that quality doesn't always have to come at a high price. Now, who says you have to break the bank to get a top-notch computer mouse? Certainly not the creators of Model 3. This beast of a mouse is a testament to the fact that affordability and quality can indeed go hand in hand. Let's start with durability. Model 3 is built to last. Its solid construction is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, and then some. You can click away to your heart's content without worrying about wear and tear. This is a mouse that's built to keep up with you, no matter how demanding your computing needs. But it's not just about durability. The performance of Model 3 is something to write home about. Smooth, responsive, and accurate, this mouse takes your cursor exactly where you want it to go, without any fuss. It's got a high DPI setting, which means it's incredibly sensitive to movement. Perfect for those high-pressure gaming sessions or those precision tasks in your graphic design project. And let's not forget about the comfort. Model 3 fits comfortably in your hand with an ergonomic design that reduces strain during long periods of use. It's a mouse that feels as good as it performs. But what really sets Model 3 apart is its price point. Despite its top-tier features, it comes at a price that's accessible to everyone. It's the perfect choice for those who want high-quality performance without the hefty price tag. Model 3 truly embodies the saying, "More bang for your buck." It's a shining example of how you can get superior quality, high performance, and great comfort, all without burning a hole in your pocket. Model 3 is a strong contender, especially for those on a budget, but we're not done yet. We've explored the top mouse models of 2024, each with its unique strengths. We've journeyed through the realm of the future, the kingdom of comfort, and the territory of budget-friendly tech. Let's take a moment to reflect on our expedition and the treasures we've discovered. First, we marveled at the futuristic marvel, a mouse that embodies the cutting edge of technology. With its advanced gesture controls and sleek design, it's truly a mouse from the future. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts who thrive on the latest innovations and crave a taste of tomorrow, today. Then we lounged in the realm of the Comfort King. This mouse isn't just about functionality, it's about comfort. Its ergonomic design and customizable buttons are a dream come true for long hours of use. It's a fantastic choice for those who prioritize comfort and ease of use in their tech tools. Next, we ventured into the territory of the budget beast. This mouse proves that you don't have to break the bank to get a high-quality, reliable mouse. It's a fantastic option for those who are mindful of their budget but still want a mouse that performs well and lasts. But remember, the best mouse isn't just about the features it boasts or the price tag it carries. It's about how well it fits into your lifestyle, your needs, and your budget. It's about finding a tool that enhances your interaction with technology rather than complicating it. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast on the hunt for the newest innovations, a comfort seeker looking for an ergonomic solution, or a budget-conscious consumer seeking reliability, there's a mouse out there for you. We hope this journey has been as enlightening for you as it has been for us. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate it if you could help us spread the word. Share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. There's always more tech insights to come. Remember, the best mouse is the one that suits your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights.